Welcome to Answers Mode. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign up for it with your Twitter account. Open your web browser and type answersmode.com. Or search on Google by typing Answers Mode. Now go to the Answers Mode website and click on Sign In or Register. Now click on Twitter button from here. Within a moment, pop-up box will open. Now sign in your Twitter account by using your Twitter ID and password. Now enter your Twitter account email and new password. Use a new password for Answers Mode account. Email and password required because you can access your Answer Mode account by using this email and password. While if you cannot access your Twitter account, your email and password need to the first login.
If you have successfully registered with your Twitter account, now go to User Profile from here. Here you will see a notification. Please go to your mailbox and verify your email address. Now go to your email. You will get an email from answersmode.com. In title, congratulations! You have successfully registered to Answers Mode. In this email, we'll get your Answers Mode username, email and confirmation link. Remember, this is very important email for you, so you should not delete this email. You should preserve this email for future use. If you lost your password or username of Answers Mode, then this email will help you to find out and recover your Answers Mode account. Now please click the link to confirm your email address. You have successfully created your Answers Mode account with your Twitter account. Now you can enjoy the unlimited benefit of Answers Mode. Now you can edit or update your profile, ask questions, response to other questions, contact with others.
And click on Sign In or Register. Now click on Twitter button from here. Within a moment, pop-up box will open. Now sign in your Twitter account by using your Twitter ID and password. If you sign up Answers Mode by using your Facebook and Twitter account, you do not need to use your Answers Mode ID and password for every login, because you can access your Answers Mode account without your Answers Mode user ID and password with a single click and easily.